Good afternoon, teacher. My name is David Tamala. I'm going to explain the lesson plan number 8. The lesson plan was focusing on the topic the use of form, which was developed for a period of class about 45 minutes, and taking into account the students with two second senior high schools and with the English level of B1.1 according to the Common European Framework References. The TOEFL objective was designed taking into account the first chance, that is to say, the students will be able to use the use of form in listening skills and writing skills and in reading skills and in taking skills. The methodology that I chose for these lesson plans were the triple play and presentation, practicing and production, and the audiolingual approach. The strategies were scanning, labeled question, and visual aids, like anticipatory set. I'm going to show an interesting lesson to their students. But these lessons have got to be writing using the used form. Maybe it could be possible that the lecture are related to the personal habits. The main teaching input, like warm-up activity, I'm going to ask again many kind of questions related to the short lecture, and try to aim the thought of the students in order to they realize what is the use of the used of form. Next, I'm going to show the grammatical rules and provide an explanation to all the class about the use of the used of form. Then I'm going to I'm going to provide with a list of the difficult words found in the lecture in order to clarify the meaning of these words. And next, I'm going to show how to recognize the used form and their meaning into a lecture to all the class. Then the class will have to develop the rest of the activity to all the lecture. That is to say, they have to found the used form and their meaning of the many kind of words into the lecture. After that, I'm going to guide my students with any kind of help. That is to say, I'm going to help in trying to help the students could recognize the right meaning of such words, but they use it by using the use that form. And then I'm going to provide uh, a real object in order to they to say the students forms their own sentences. After that, I'm going to ask my students using level questions. Of course, pre-planned question after after getting at this point. And then I'm going to provide a positive watchback, but briefly, in order to clarify whatever kind of misunderstanding. Talking about the modeling, I'm going to choose the first 2 or 3 sentences into a lecture. Read, recognize the use that form, and try to infer the right meaning of the difficult word used on these 2 or 3 sentences. After that, all the rest of the class will have the same kind of activity that I did, and of course, with the help of the teacher. And next, I'm going to ask my students write 3 sentences using the use that form and whatever kind of words provided on Blackboard. Then I'm going to assess the student's knowledge by using the leveled question strategy in order to get an idea of what my students have taught during the period of class. And talking about the final part, closing review and follow-up, I'm going to provide a feedback or make a briefly summary about the whole class, and send any kind of homework related to the use of the use platforms, but mainly focuses on the students' real life in order to they take this kind of homework seriously, because in this form they will internalize what had been taught in class. And that is all for now, and see you later. Thanks to all of you. Bye.